Forget everything you thought you knew about AI agents. For the last year, we've been promised a revolution. We've seen flashy demos and heard about AI that can run our businesses for us. But the reality, most so called AI agents are slow, expensive, and frankly, a little dumb. They require massive multi GPU setups that cost a fortune. And even then, they often fail at complex multi step tasks. The hype has been deafening, but the results have been disappointing. Until now. NVIDIA just dropped a bomb on the entire industry. And today, we're putting it to the ultimate test. What if you could have an AI that thinks like a chief strategy officer running on a single GPU? This isn't just an upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in what's possible. Here at Mike's AI Forge, we're all about evidence over hype. So I'm giving this new model a brutally complex real world business problem right now. A SaaS company has 1,000 customers paying $50 a month. Their goal is to double their revenue to $100,000 a month within just 12 months. The catch? They're losing 5% of their customers every single month due to churn. This is a business death spiral. Can this new AI actually solve it? Let's find out. Okay, and here's where it gets insane. The model isn't just spitting out a generic answer, we're getting the entire thought process live. This is the reasoning mode, and it's a window directly into the AI's mind. Look at this. It's establishing the baseline. 1,000 customers at $50 is 50,000 a month in revenue. It immediately calculates the goal, 100,000 a month. But then it starts doing the hard work. It's modeling the monthly churn impact, calculating the exact number of new customers they need to acquire, not just to grow, but to first replace the ones they're losing. It's running formulas for customer decay, exploring recurrence relations, and even calculating compound growth models with churn. This isn't just a language model anymore. This is a CEO, a CFO, and a chief strategy officer all rolled into one, showing its work in real time. It's exploring 5 distinct strategic approaches: aggressive customer acquisition, price increase, churn reduction, upsell, cross sell, and a hybrid model. It's thinking. And this isn't some black magic. This is the brand new Llama Nemotron Super version 1.5. And right here on NVIDIA's own technical blog is the proof. They built this model to dominate the most complex reasoning and agentic tasks. It has 49 billion parameters. Think of those as individual neurons in a brain, all fine-tuned for one thing: high-level problem solving. It's already topping the artificial analysis index leaderboard, consistently outperforming other open models in its weight class, even some that are twice its size. This isn't just another move on the board. This is a checkmate move for AI agents and the future of business automation. It represents a fundamental shift from AI that simply retrieves information to AI that creates genuine strategy. And at its core, this is about efficiency. It's about empowering a single person, a founder, a manager, an executive, to make high-level strategic decisions faster and with more data than ever before. This gives you an almost unfair advantage without needing a data center in your basement. So how did they do it? It's not just about size. It's about being smarter. They used a novel approach called neural architecture search, which is a mind-bending concept. They essentially used an AI to design a more efficient AI brain. It ran thousands of simulations to find the perfect structure that balances power with a tiny memory footprint. And the most incredible part, they're releasing the post-training dataset. This level of transparency is a game changer for developers. It means you can see exactly what went into the model's education, allowing you to build your own custom high-performance agents on top of this rock-solid foundation. This is the new workflow. It's about combining the best of foundational knowledge with real-time, dynamic problem solving. The AI becomes a partner in your work, a research assistant that doesn't just fetch data, but helps you interpret it, strategize with it, and turn it into action. It's no longer just about what an AI knows, but how it thinks. And here it is, the final result: a complete, actionable 12-month strategy to double revenue. It doesn't just give one answer, it outlines all 5 strategic approaches. It weighs the pros and cons of each one, calculating the exact number of new users needed per month for each scenario. And then it champions the most effective path forward, a hybrid approach that emphasizes retention and upselling, because it's more cost effective and sustainable than just chasing new customers. This is the kind of output that used to take a team of expensive consultants weeks to produce. This model did it in under a minute. And the power to do all of this comes from here, the raw horsepower of NVIDIA's hardware. For years, the bottleneck hasn't just been the AI models, it's been the massive, expensive hardware needed to run them. By optimizing Nemotron Super to run on a single high-end GPU like the H200, NVIDIA has shattered that barrier. This combination of hyper-efficient hardware and surgically optimized software is what makes practical, affordable AI agents finally a reality for businesses of any size. From content creation to financial analysis, the game has officially changed. So, what does this mean for you? It means the barrier to entry for creating powerful, autonomous AI systems has just been obliterated. The power to automate complex workflows, to analyze data with superhuman speed, and to generate business strategies on the fly is no longer reserved for mega corporations with billion-dollar budgets. The tools are here, they're accessible, and they're more powerful than ever. The only question is, what will you build with them? And this is where NVIDIA's strategy gets even deeper. Because Nemotron isn't just a single brilliant model, it's a foundry for creating other models. A key part of the real Nemotron 4340B family, which inspired this agent, is its power to generate synthetic data. Think about that for a second. This AI is so good at reasoning that it can be used to create massive, high-quality training data sets to teach smaller, specialized AIs. It's not just giving you a powerful tool, it's giving you the tool to build your own custom tools. Here at Mike's AI Forge, we're all about evidence over hype. We don't just talk about what's new, we build real things to show you what's actually possible. If you want to learn how to leverage powerful tools like Nemotron Super to build AI automations that save you hundreds of hours and make you more money, you are in the right place. I've created a completely free community, the AI Success Lab, where I give away the exact step-by-step workflows, guides, and AI agents that we use to scale businesses. It's packed with over 100 use cases and tutorials. And you'll join over 14,000 other entrepreneurs who are already automating their way to success. The link is in the description. Hit that subscribe button and join the Forge. The AI revolution is here, and we're building the future one project at a time. Thanks for watching.